A law requiring Louisiana public schools to display the Ten Commandments in every classroom has been blocked, at least for now. It was supposed to go into effect at the beginning of next year, but a judge handed down a ruling today calling it, quote, unconstitutional in all applications. CBS News reporter Kati Weis is in New Orleans covering this for us. Katie, can you explain the judge's ruling?
Yeah, well, thanks for having me on today. Basically, this ruling is going to make it unconstitutional for several school districts here across the Bayou State to post copies of those 10 Commandments in classrooms for students to read, regardless of whatever religion those students may believe in. It's my understanding also that this lawsuit only applies specifically to a few school districts around the state here that were named in the lawsuit and does not necessarily apply to every single school district across the state. And so that's why there's actually a second lawsuit that is still pending, still in motion, that's going to be a critical key piece to this that many people are going to be watching closely to see what happens next.
Yeah, what are the next steps in this case? Can you sort of outline what you're going to be watching for?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it's my understanding that there will definitely be an appeal. I've been talking with folks from the Louisiana Attorney General's office throughout the day today, and they have told me that they strongly disagree with the court's decision and will immediately appeal. As HB 71, that's the name of the law's implementation deadline is approaching on January 1st. That's coming up this coming year. So essentially, we are going to be seeing a lot of folks fighting back against this. And I have seen online lots of parents saying that they really agree with this law and they think that it's a good thing. They want their kids to have that kind of, titles and that kind of influence in their school system. So we'll definitely be interested to see what folks, what happens next here.
Katie, you talked to a teacher who's suing over this law earlier today. What did that teacher tell you?
Yeah, so that teacher is actually a plaintiff in that second lawsuit that I mentioned earlier that is going to be something that folks are really going to be watching closely. It's a lawsuit that's filed by several teachers here in the state, including teachers here specifically in New Orleans. And I talked to one of those folks just this morning who says that, he feels that it's really violating his rights, it's violating his students' rights to keep the Ten Commandments, to keep one particular religious document in the classroom and not to respect all others. And so he actually even said, I asked him, I said, but some parents really feel that this is a good thing. And I asked him, what do you say to that? So here's his response. Take a listen.
I will say there are a lot of caring parents who want their students to be in spaces where morality and ethics are centered, but I do want to point out that there is a massive difference between Christianity, a religion that is practiced by millions of people that preaches peace, and Christian nationalism. One is an actual religion, and the other is a political movement that is designed to impose religion on people.
And so as you heard there, some very strong words from the teacher here in New Orleans who is going to be watching to see what happens next and how this ruling today, where a judge has specifically called this law unconstitutional, he's going to be watching to see how that ruling will hold weight for his fight to take a stand in his beliefs.
Kati Weis, thank you.